All right, so now we're going to go over the 8-point questions. Okay, it's very similar to the front side. So remember that we're going to first organize our work. Okay, so first, before I add and subtract, I need to multiply. So right here, I've got this negative 6 in front of the 2x and the 3. If it's touching the parentheses, I got to multiply. 6 times 2x, or negative 6 times 2x, that's minus 12x. Multiply. Okay, negative 6 times 3 is minus 18. Put the equal sign, bring down the negative 4x plus 6. Now we're going to do just like the front page. If that's minus 18, we do plus 18. Plus 6, we're going to do plus 18 again. So remember, we do plus 18 twice. Now it's negative 4, so here I do plus 4. I always do the opposite, and I do plus 4x again. So those cancel. Negative 18 plus 18 is 0. Negative 4x plus 4x is 0. So now we're going to do negative 12 plus 4. Negative 12, please use your calculator if you have to. Negative 8, so that's negative 8x. And then we have 6 plus 18, that's going to be 24. Now we're going to divide. Remember, this is negative, so I'm going to divide by negative. I divide by a negative number there. So then we're going to do 24 divided by negative 8, and we get minus 3. So our answer is negative 3. Okay, same thing here. We're still going to distribute. So remember, this is called distribute. Okay, and we're going to distribute that negative 3 to the 5. We're going to start with this side first because that's where the parentheses are. So negative 3 times, let me say this is also distribute, times 5x, that's minus 5x. Or sorry, minus 15x. Okay, and then, I shouldn't have wrote that line, that's my bad. And then negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6 because it's negative times negative. Then bring down the minus 68. Bring down the minus 4x and the minus 7. Okay, now on this side, on the right side, I have like terms. The 6 and the 68, we're going to combine those two together. So I bring this down. 6 minus 68, that's going to be negative 62. Okay. Bring down these ones. These other, oops, sorry, that's a minus 7. Okay, now we're going to do just like we did on the first page. That's minus 7, so we're going to add 7, plus 7 again. Okay, to cancel that. Then we got negative 15x, so we're going to add 15x to both sides. That's gone. So now we have minus 4x plus 15x minus, 4 plus 15, that's an 11. So 11x. And then we have negative 62 plus 7. Negative 62 plus 7, that's a minus 55. Okay, now we divide both sides by 11. That cancels, or it doesn't cancel, it becomes a 1. So now that's negative 55 divided by 11. And that's negative 5. Okay, so that's your 8-point question. See the next video if you want to check out the 10-point question.